All right, hey teachers, welcome back here. Just now that you've gotten access to see all of your rosters in Explore Learning for Gizmos, I just want to walk you really quickly here through how you would actually turn on access for all of your classes so that your students will now have access when they sign into Clever. So to do that, you're going to go to your educator dashboard. So you've signed into Clever, you've clicked that little blue G icon over there, you're back on your educator dashboard. You will have to do this for each of your classes in Explore Learning here. So click on a class, up in the right-hand corner, click where it says Manage Students. You want to first change from roster over to assignments. And you also might need to scroll to the bottom here. If you do have more than 25 kids, you may need to just toggle a button down here that says all of your students. But essentially then, once you're under assignments, you're going to check this box to fill all these in. You can currently see that everybody is disabled. So what you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom now and click Access and click Enable Access and Accept. And you will see how it flips over from disabled to enabled. That will turn on access for all of your students. So that way when they sign into Clever and they click Explore Learning, they will go to your class tile and they click on that and they'll see all the gizmos that you've put in there for them to interact with. So make sure you go through, back on Return to Gizmos here, go through each of your classes and turn on access for all of your students. Then to actually start to dig into what gizmos are out there, you can click the Explore button. You have the option to search by academic standard or by grade and topic. Grade and topic's a good one to do here. I like that one. Let's say that you're a 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade teacher. You teach physical science. You want to show a gizmo on how to measure volume. What I always like to recommend is that you click Launch first. That way you get the option to take a look at the gizmo, interact with it yourself on the teacher side so you can see that it's working correctly, what options are there for quiz questions down below, and then also by clicking this Lesson Info button, you can see teacher guides, student exploration sheets, answer keys, vocabulary sheets, and you'll notice by clicking the 3 dots that all of these are allowed to be downloaded into Word, and then you can edit any of those to take out unnecessary content because they are pretty lengthy and pretty dense there. So you'll be able to edit and take some stuff out and really kind of tighten those up with what you need them to actually work through. And then when you like a gizmo, it's one that you want to add to your class, simply click the blue Add to Class button. And you can check one or check all of them that you want to add to. And simply just click Add, and then we'll add that gizmo into the bank of gizmos that your students have access to. So it's a pretty brief video there on how to turn access on for all of your students, and then how to actually search and add gizmos to your class libraries. The next video I'm going to follow up with here will be a video that you will have students watch so that students can sign in through student links into Clever, activate their Gizmo account the first time, and then see your classroom tile so they can start jumping into their Gizmo work.